Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Brandon in Georgia on a SuperStar SS148 PRO. Brandon got you ready to go. This thing is loaded out. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Get set right about 20 watts all the way down, where you have full adjustability. 100 watts all the way up. Alright, I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Just shy of 250 watts. 1000 watt slug in peak. Hello. 580p AP out of this bad boy. Alright, Brandon, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got Truckerized. Boom, boom.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.